Now we will continue with our lesson. Chen Yaozi became very angry. What do you know that you pass such thoughtless comments on other people? Who are you? So he asked the old man that how you are telling such thoughtless comments without thinking. Thoughtless comments means without thinking on other people. So who are you? Thoughtless means without thinking. Get angry, sir. I am an oil seller, as you must have guessed from the goat. So the old man said to the Chen Yaozi that please don't get angry, as you know that I am an oil seller. How Chen Yaozi came to know that he was an oil seller? Because he had gourds of oil with him. Every day I fill these gourds with oil and sell them. Over the years, I have achieved some skill in filling the gourds. If you allow, I will show it to you. So the old man said to Chen Yaozi that every day I am filling these gourds with oil and selling them. So over the years I have got some skill. Achieved means got some skill in filling the gourd. So he asked Chen Yaozi that if he will allow him, he will show it that how he fills the oil. So guessed means to know and achieved means got. Growled Chen Yaozi. Everybody was curious to see what would happen next. Growled means in an angry voice. So Chen Yaozi, who was angry with the oil seller, said that means okay. Everybody was curious to see what would happen next. Means they wanted to know what would happen next. Growled means voice in anger. Patiently, the old man sat down an empty gourd on the ground. So, the old man put one empty gourd on the ground. Then, he put a small coin on the mouth of the goat. What he did? He put a small coin on the mouth of the goat because he wanted to show that he can pour the oil properly. So he put the coin on the mouth of the goat. In those days, small coin had a little hole at the center. So in the ancient times, everywhere the coins were having holes in the center. As nowadays we are having 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coins, but in those days they were different. As you can see in the picture that the coins were having hole in the centers. Then the old man stood up, took some oil in his ladle and began to pour oil into the gourd from a. The old man had finished filling up the gourd. He lifted up the coin. Not a trace of oil could be seen. The people watching it were speechless with wonder. So on seeing that the old man has filled the gourd without splitting the oil, and on the coin there was not a single trace of oil. So everybody was speechless and they were wondering how this the old man could have done. So in this way they admired the old man. But the old man only smiled. As I said, there's nothing special about it. It's only a matter of practice, you see. So the old man smilingly said that, as I said, there is nothing special, but it's only a matter of practice. You can see that I have practiced a lot of filling up the gourd, so I can easily fill up the gourd even by putting a coin on the mouth of the gourd. So from a big height he was able to fill up the gourd. Chen Liaozi lost all his anger and annoyance. He just gave a short laugh and said, "You have taught me something important today." After that, Chen Yaozi never showed off or boasted about his skill as an archer. So now children, what did we learn from this lesson? We learn from this lesson that practice makes man perfect. If we will practice more and more, we will be perfect in our work. So we should practice now onwards to be a perfect. If you will learn your lessons properly, you will be able to write the answers properly. So practice more to be a perfect person.